Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GTS Coupe, stock reference number 4549. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end and the left-hand side. We have the left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover, does have some light stress cracks in the paintwork. Boot lid appears to have no damage, supplied with spoiler, complete. Right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has a few light wobbles. Right door mirror, suit track car, does have some crack and damage. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather and suede interior. It's got a auto type center console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control and paddle shift. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.